Your gut health plays a massive role in your overall well-being, affecting everything from digestion to mood, immunity, and even brain function. But what if your gut is out of balance? Most people don't realize that an unhealthy gut can cause a range of issues beyond stomach discomfort. In fact, your body sends clear signals when your gut needs help. You just have to know what to look for. In this video, we'll reveal 7 signs your gut is unhealthy, and more importantly, how to fix it quickly so you can start feeling your best again. One of the biggest signs of an unhealthy gut is digestive issues like bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. If your stomach often feels uncomfortable after meals or you experience irregular bowel movements, it could be a sign that your gut bacteria are imbalanced or that your digestive system is struggling to break down food properly. A healthy gut should be able to process food efficiently without causing constant discomfort. If you're always feeling bloated or dealing with unpredictable digestion, it's time to restore balance to your gut microbiome. Another common sign of poor gut health is food intolerances. If you notice that certain foods like dairy, gluten, or processed foods trigger bloating, cramps, or discomfort, your gut might not be producing enough enzymes to digest them properly. An unhealthy gut can lead to increased intestinal permeability, often called leaky gut, which allows undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream and trigger immune reactions. This is why people with gut imbalances often develop food sensitivities that they never had before. Your gut health also has a direct connection to your immune system, so if you're getting sick frequently, your gut might be to blame. Around 70% of your immune system is located in your gut, and when your gut bacteria are imbalanced, your immune response weakens. This makes you more susceptible to colds, infections, and even chronic inflammation. If you find yourself catching every cold that goes around or struggling with slow recovery, improving your gut health could boost your immune defenses naturally. Another surprising sign of an unhealthy gut is unexplained fatigue or brain fog. Have you ever felt exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Or struggled to focus, feeling like your brain is in a fog? Your gut produces key neurotransmitters like serotonin, which helps regulate mood and energy levels. When your gut is out of balance, it can lead to poor nutrient absorption, affecting energy production and cognitive function. Fixing your gut health can lead to better mental clarity, higher energy levels, and improved focus throughout the day. Mood swings, anxiety, and even depression can also be linked to poor gut health. This is because of the gut-brain connection, a powerful link between your digestive system and your mental well-being. Your gut produces about 90% of your body's serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for happiness and emotional balance. When your gut microbiome is imbalanced, serotonin production can drop, leading to increased feelings of stress, anxiety, or low mood. This is why many people with gut issues also struggle with mental health symptoms. Healing your gut can have a profound impact on your emotional well-being. Another red flag that your gut may be unhealthy is unexplained skin problems like acne, eczema, or rosacea. When the gut is inflamed, it can trigger inflammatory responses throughout the body, including the skin. This is often why people who suffer from gut issues also experience persistent breakouts or skin irritation, even when they follow a skincare routine. If topical treatments aren't working, the real issue might be coming from inside your gut. By improving your digestion and balancing your microbiome, you can often clear up skin issues naturally. The last major sign of poor gut health is sugar cravings and weight gain. If you constantly crave sweets, it could be due to an imbalance in gut bacteria. Harmful bacteria and yeast, like Candida, thrive on sugar and send signals to your brain to consume more of it. The more sugar you eat, the worse the imbalance becomes, leading to further cravings, energy crashes, and difficulty managing weight. Fixing your gut health can help reduce cravings naturally and support a healthy metabolism. So, how do you fix your gut quickly? The good news is that small, daily changes can make a huge difference. Start by removing processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives that feed harmful bacteria. Replace them with fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which support good bacteria. Adding fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir can introduce beneficial probiotics that restore gut balance. You can also take a high-quality probiotic supplement to speed up the healing process. Another powerful way to heal your gut is by managing stress, as chronic stress can disrupt gut bacteria and weaken digestion. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and getting enough sleep can significantly improve your gut health. Staying hydrated and engaging in regular physical activity also help support a healthy digestive system. If you've been experiencing any of these 7 signs, don't ignore them. Your gut is trying to tell you something. The good news is that with the right lifestyle changes, you can restore balance, improve digestion, boost energy, and feel better overall. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one.